What's up, pretty gang? What's good? It's your girl Rachel back with another video. As y'all can tell from the title, this is my first time trying this. I thought about it for a little bit, heard about it, and I decided, hey, why not? Let me try this rice water for natural hair. Cause I can tell, like on this side of my head, especially, that's if people ever wondered. If you ever wondered why, if you ever saw my hair, see my hair down, why I always wear it to this side, it's because this side is really thin, and I'm gonna go into like complete and utter detail about that in a separate video, like when I actually attempt to wash my hair with the rice water. So I only had a little bit of rice, so hopefully this will work. And I cleaned it out. I'm over here, Lynn's right here, duh, Rachel. So I've already made it. I just literally just made it not too long ago, so that'll be what y'all see next. But I wanted to come and sit down and explain to you guys that I'm going on this try the rice water for natural hair bypass, which y'all see in the background. You already know I'm at the bathroom where they've got the best lighting. It's in my parents' bathroom. So I have to update my computer and stuff, so that's what I'm doing now. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and film this making of rice video, and the next video y'all will see is me trimming my split ends by myself. I'm going to attempt this. It's been a minute. It's been about 4 or 5, no, 6, 7 months since I last had my ends trimmed, so I'm going to attempt to do that myself. Because last time I chopped my hair off completely to up here, I did it myself. I didn't go to a salon or anything like that. I did it myself. I just want to trim my split ends because they're bad. And then when I wash my hair every week. I use the same products that I wash my hair with. I'll show you guys that when I wash it. I'm actually going to do them in the tub in here in my mom's bathroom. So I'm gonna clean that out. Because I think Thursday's hair wash day. Wash my hair every Thursday morning before work or after work. So it depends. I usually try to do it before, so I don't work again until I work 11 to 5, 11 to 6. But today I don't have to, because I'm not taking phone calls until April 1st. So anyway, I know I got sidetracked again. So this is my attempt. I'm sure you guys, I'm not an expert at this yet. I'm trying this for the first time. So this is my first little bit of rice water for natural hair. I heard it stinks. So yeah, I'm gonna have to deal with the smell until I get some oranges and stuff. So I've heard oranges will help with it. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. So what y'all see next is me making the rice water for my hair. And I always clean my rice out before I even cook it, except for the ones in the bags. I rinse the bag out as much as I can, and then I put it in the water to boil. But if it's like box rice, I wash it before I cook it. That's just me. I know other people do it too. A couple of YouTubers that I watched to see how their journey went. Because my hair is different. Everybody's hair is different. So my hair is literally different. So we're gonna see how this goes. Because I got thin spots and I got dandruff really bad. And I heard it helps with dandruff and stuff too. So long story short. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Share this video. And yeah, and I'll let you guys know what my hairstyle is. Like if it, last time I remember looking it up, but I gotta look it up again. So anyway, I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Subscribe, thumbs up, follow me on this natural hair journey using rice water. Okay? Okay. What's up, pretty game? So here I'm pouring in what's left of we had instant white rice. I was told, I've looked up that you can just use any type of rice. So that's what I was doing. Using the instant rice. And here I am pouring some water and cleaning my rice. Yes, I'm one of those that cleans rice, especially if it's not in the bag. Sometimes I don't. But this time I just wanted to go ahead and get all those dirt and whatever else may be on it before I put it in my little container. So that's what I'm doing here. Is just swirling around with my hands. My hands are clean. Also, I ain't got no bras that'll cover me, don't care. Then here I'm gonna drain it. Um, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right here I'm draining. This is my first time actually attempting to make rice water for hair. For me, I don't need it for hair growth. I just want to, see how it works. With I've seen where it helps with shedding and dandruff. So I wanted to see if that's the case, if it really will help. So I'm gonna use it for about a month, and I'm gonna of course keep y'all guys updated on it and everything. Give y'all guys a weekly or every 2 week update on how it goes, and show you guys. Then right here, I'm just scooping it out of the strainer as best I can. Get stuck everywhere. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I'm gonna just get better. I know for sure next time I'm gonna get a mason jar, because as you can see here, I ended up just using a little container that we use to store food, which we don't really. We've got plenty of those, so that's what I'm using here. I'm just scooping it with a spoon. I ended up switching it into 2 different containers. This small container, then a long mini container, little Ziploc, not even a Ziploc container, little food storage container. Ended up switching it into those to the 2 separate ones. I did that off camera, and then I'm gonna add the water. And I literally let it sit for 48 hours. As I'm speaking to you guys, I am currently deep conditioning my hair, and then I'm going to put in the rice water because I let it sit for 48 hours. And then what you just saw was me pouring the water in. And like I said, I just redid it. So thumbs up this video and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Pretty gang, I'm out. Bye.